Mechanical Engineering, Abdul Karim, CCAB Institute of Technology, second rank.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah's reward is far better for those who believe and do good, but none will achieve this except the patient. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Karim. I have recently completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering from the CCAB Institute of Engineering and Technology, Bijapur. Alhamdulillah, I have secured the second rank to VT University among more than 4,000 students of the Mechanical Engineering UG course. For this achievement, I am highly grateful to Almighty Allah who has provided me the courage and strength to be firm in my dedication and commitment towards studies. I always used to say कि ये अल्लाह का बगैर मांगे दिया हुआ तोहफा है. This is a gift from Allah without asking for it. After giving my third semester exam, I was expecting good marks, but not the rank. And when I was informed by one of my classmates, I was unable to sleep for the whole night. Not because of happiness, but because it would now be a responsibility for me to continue this. कि यहाँ अब मैं अकेला नहीं था, बल्कि मेरे साथ पूरा इदारा था. Now I would like to thank Aman sir and Anis bhai of the Aligarh बच्चों का घर, an institute established to provide access to education to those who are deprived of. I have also completed my education since 2007 from this institute itself. They helped me to get a higher education and an opportunity for my education at CCAB. Now I would like to thank the management of CCAB, especially President Shamsuddin Punekar sir and Director Salahuddin Punekar sir, providing me access to higher education with the full sponsorship of the CCAB. CCAB has fully funded not only my education but also the food and stay in its hostel. Now the most important pillar of my success is none other but my teachers. Their role is the real role. I always used to say कि हमारा अपना कोई वजूद नहीं सिवाय उसके कि हमें बनाने वाले कैसे मिले. I would like to thank हमारे teachers, our teachers including Dr. Syed Abbas Ali sir, Sachin sir, Altaf sir, Dilip sir, Sunil sir, Abdullah sir, Asif sir, and all the other teachers who taught me. Their teaching methods were mainly student centric. They used to focus on basic concepts. They used to tell each and every concepts in a very simpler manner. इतना आसान होता था उनका पढ़ाने का तरीका कि मैं भी कभी कभी बोल देता था कि सर मुझे अगला क्वेश्चन दे दीजिए, बाकी बच्चों को आप समझाते रहिए. That each concepts were explained not only from my department but from the entire college. All the teachers have always been a strong support for me morally and emotionally. Now I would like to thank the hostel warden Abbas Bhagwan sir, who has provided me with a good room for my accommodation so that to facilitate me in my studies. I want to thank Yasin sir, who has always been a driving force for me. Named my name, उन्होंने अपने मोबाइल में मेरा नाम भी यूनिवर्सिटी रैंक करके सेव किया था, जो हमेशा मुझे एक हिम्मत देता था आगे बढ़ने के लिए. And I want to thank all the other staff of my hostel. Now I would like to thank my former teachers and other well-wishers such as Azim Rizvi sir, manager of Aligarh Modern School, Razia ma'am, Mariam ma'am, Abdul Fahim sir, Nusrat ma'am, and many others for their continuous moral and emotional support. They have always been a force which helped me to move ahead. Now I would like to thank my parents, my family members, my relatives, and other well-wishers. If I keep on counting the names, I would not be able to finish this video, because not only from within the college but outside also, including Xerox Center, stationery shop, and other shops, they too were very kind towards me. They had always eager to help me in whatever manner they could. I would like to thank all my classmates, hostel mates, friends, and other well-wishers for their continuous support and encouragement that helped me keep moving ahead. Last but not least, I am highly grateful to all those who have been a consistent and regular support for me. I am thankful to all who have appreciated this achievement. It is really a matter of happiness and satisfaction for me that you have appreciated this achievement. I would request you all to continue your support and remember me in your prayers. I would conclude with this share. निजात दीदा दिल की घड़ी नहीं आई, चले चलो कि वो मंजिल अभी नहीं आई. देयर इज़ अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो, सो चले चलो कि वो मंजिल अभी नहीं आई.